The EMS application will help you to avoid EMI blocking by the cellular operator. An EMI is a unique identification number for each GSM module. The EMS application is used to automatically assign a new EMI number to the GSM module each time it rotates to a new GSM channel. This rotation can be determined by the number of calls or by the number of minutes. Using this application, we are actually reducing the chances of getting the GSM module of the gateway blocked, as the EMI number isn't constantly changing. The EMS application will generate a new EMI number assigned to each SIM card of the GSM module. As we see here in the picture, every time the GSM module rotates from SIM card 1 to SIM card 2, the EMS application generates a new EMI. In this case, it generates a new EMI number to the SIM card, which is in turn, and so we can see on and on the same. When switching from SIM card 2 to SIM card 3, the EMS application will generate a new EMI number to the SIM card which is in turn. In this case, it will be the SIM card number 3. The EMS application will do all the image changes automatically, repeating this process again and again. So, in order to use the EMS application, it's necessary to have a 100% dedicated PC for this work, since this application will be running 24 hours a day. The second condition is to ensure that always will be a permanent communication between the dedicated PC and the GSM gateway. Now let's check if our GSM gateway contains the EMI application installed already. For that, we access to the GSM gateway in cellular cards ALL-GSM. At the right side, we will find two additional columns like shown here in the red box. That means that the EMI application is already installed on the GSM gateway. We will find calls until SIM is switched and calls until SIM is blocked. Another way to check is accessing in the service console to review the GSM card version. Once inside, we will find that the description of the version will appear with the letters MP or with the letter P. That will depend on the card version. This is an example. If the EMS application ever SIM was run on the gateway, we will find that the card version will change to MPI or to PI. So now, let's see what files we need in order to change the EMI on the GSM gateway. It is very important to use Notepad++ program for easier addition of these files. The file SIM2 EMI is composed of fields. Each field has three parts. In the first line, we have the description of the GSM gateway IP to which we want to change the EMI. In the second line, we have the gateway password, and in the third line, it refers to the tabla file containing the EMI number we want to change. In case we want to change the EMI to multiple gateways, the only thing that we need to do is to add another fields, same as the IP, password, and don't forget the table file. Inside the table file, we can see that the gateway system assigns an address by default to each GSM card. We will find 4 modules per address and 4 SIM cards per module. As example, we use only 2 GSM cards, but you can add more GSM cards if needed.